Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today in this video we're going to discuss one of the interesting topic of flooring design. So friends, today we're going to discuss about a trendy, durable and stylish flooring options which day by day becoming the popular for flooring. Yes, I'm talking about the epoxy flooring designs. So you can see in this video. So friends, in this video we're going to cover that what is the epoxy flooring, what are their benefits, and what will be the cost for installing the epoxy flooring designs and how it is installed. And before installing this epoxy flooring you should remember some important points. So friends, before starting the video, so please like this video, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So what exactly is the epoxy flooring? Epoxy flooring is a type of floor coating made by mixing epoxy resin with a hardening agent. This creates a chemical reaction that forms a tough, glossy and super durable surface that bonds tightly to your existing floors. There you can see there are the it is used everywhere from homes to offices because it gives a beautiful and amazing look. It gives the thin, sleek, seamless and shiny floors that elevate any space. So let's talk about why it is so popular nowadays. It has some beautiful advantages like it is super durable. Epoxy floors can handle heavy foot traffics, even impact without cracking or wearing out. So you can use in the living room, bedrooms, and it is the chemical and stain resistant. If it spilled oil, chemicals or food on the floor, you can easily clean. It is very low in a maintenance, just quick sweep or mop and your floor looks brand new, so no waxing or no polish needed. So with endless colors, patterns and even in the 3D designs, epoxy floors can transform any space into a visual masterpiece. So friends, you can see in this video there are the beautiful designs are available. So if you are planning to do, these designs will help you to select the best designs for your home. Even it is a cost effective in the for the long run, so while upfront of cost might seem little bit of higher than the tiles, but its lifelong span means you can save on repairs and replacements, so it has life is more than the tiles. So now let's talk about the price. So the cost of epoxy flooring in India varies based on factor like the type of epoxy, the condition of your existing floor and the size of the area. But on average, I expect to pay between 70 rupees to 300 rupees per square feet. For basic thin coatings, the price starts from 70 rupees, but it is less durable, great for light duty areas like homes. If you want more life, so go with the 70 to 80 rupees. For stronger and pricier ranging from, if you want to go 100 rupees per square feet, ideal for lifelong. And if you want to make the 3D designs, this premium option can cost up to 200 rupees per square feet due to the complex materials and applications. So if your floor needs repairs, grinding or priming, that can add 20 to 30 rupees per square feet. And labor cost also vary by city, higher in metros like Delhi or Mumbai. So now we will going to discuss the installation process for epoxy flooring. So first you prepare the surface. The existing concrete floor is cleaned through remove the dust, grease or any old coatings, or even cracks or uneven spots are repaired with a patching compound. Because this step is critical for strong bond. Another step is the primer. So a primer coat is applied to the seal the surface and improve the adhesion. Another one is the mixing the epoxy. So the epoxy resin and hardener are mixed carefully. Any mistakes can ruin the finish, so always be careful. Another one is the application. So the mixed epoxy is poured and spread evenly with a roller or brush. working in the small section for a smooth and uniform look. And for curing and top coat, the epoxy needs 24 to 48 hours to cure depending on the type. A top coat can be added for extra shine or protections. So friends, once cured, you got a gorgeous durable floor. But before you start, here are some points to remember in your mind. So always hire the professional. So epoxy installation requires skill. Mixing errors or poor surface preparation can lead to peeling or bubbling in the future. So choose the experienced contractors and always check your floor conditions. So make sure your existing floor is structurally sound. Cracks or moisture issues must be fixed before installing this. And consider the uses. So choose the right epoxy type for your space, like thin coatings for homes. And always the curing process takes 1 to 3 days, so you'll need to avoid using the space during that time. So always give the time and always prepare for the budget. So surface preparation can add to the cost, so factor into your budget is following tips and your epoxy floor will be long lasting investment. So friends, I hope that you understand what is the epoxy flooring. So I told you, and what are the price for installing this. So price starts from 70 rupees per square feet, and it totally there are different types of designs are available, like metallic, 3D designs. So it totally depends, the price is totally depends upon the types of designs also. So for basic, it starts from 70 rupees per square feet. If you want to go mid range, though, 100 rupees it will cost you per square feet, and if you want to go with the 3D design, so it will cost you almost 200 rupees per square feet. So friends, still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And in this video I shown you the beautiful epoxy flooring designs, so that you can get the idea to in your future if you are planning to do these designs, so you can select some of these designs are interesting designs. So always when you're installing this epoxy flooring, so you should always do the surface preparations. You have to check the tiles conditions, ensure the tiles are securely bonded to the substrate, and do the primer. So apply a high quality primer designs for non-porous surface like tiles to enhance the adhesions. And always use a two-part epoxy resin specially formulated for flooring. And if your tiles are in a pure conditions, so you want a seamless finish, consider removing them or applying a self-leveling compound before the epoxy. So friends, always consult a professional or test a small area first to ensure compatibility and adhesion. So I hope that this video will help you to design the flooring designs into a modern and premium. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and please support to my channel. And friends, once simple request with you that if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel, because we are close to 3,50,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.